When silence fell upon the land, and hearts were heavy, full of sand, He came in glory, clothed in grace, and love shone bright upon each face. He spoke with voice both soft and strong. Lift up your hearts, you've known me long. Ye are the light I've placed within, to chase the dark, to heal, to mend. Ye are the light of this people, the hands that lift, the hearts that heal. In every act of love that's real, my kingdom comes, my light revealed. Shine through the shadows, fear and strife, for ye are the light.
The children gathered at His feet, their laughter pure, their faith complete. He blessed their eyes, their souls, their hands, and sent them forth to heal the lands.
Now through the still He calls to those who stand when darkness falls. His fire burns where hearts believe, to give, to love, to never leave. Ye are the light of this people, the lamps I've kindled in the storm. Though winds may rage and hearts grow worn, your flame shall rise, your souls reborn. Shine through despair, through endless night, for ye are my chosen light. He whispered, let your light so shine, that others see the truth divine. Not for your glory nor your name, but for the one who overcame.
The mountains bow, the heavens sing. The world is healed through simple things.
A kindness prayer, a lifted hand, the smallest spark can light the land. Ye are the light of this people, a fire the darkness can't contain. Go forth in mercy, not in vain, for through your light my love remains. When all grows still and hearts grow cold, let your flame my truth unfold. For ye are the light, my living sign, the covenant flame, forever mine.
Go now, my children, and be still.
Ye are the light upon the hill.